Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can remove the glass door in Gorenje cooking stove. So in the first step, let's open the doors, and as you can see there we have a small gray element in this place on the both sides of the device. So to remove it you have to lift to the up from this side and push from your side to the device direction on the both sides. Now you can with no any problem remove the glass door. If you want to clean it or something, to push it to put it back, just put it like before in the right place and close the covers by pushing it to your side. And basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.